Hey everyone, this is John, and this is for the free video. It is a little after 5 o'clock. I wanted to wait for the Apple earnings, obviously. I'm doing this at home, so we may hear some kids and things like that in the background. I got up last night at 2 o'clock in the morning. Hello, Bobo Fett.
It's not Bobo Fett.
Jango Fett?
Yeah.
Okay, James is trying on his Halloween decorations. I woke up at 2 in the morning last night. I couldn't go to sleep, and I was like, you know what? I am tired of working on this book. I'm going to get it done. So I worked straight from 2 in the morning until 2:30 this afternoon and finished it and sent it off to the publisher. So I can actually start bathing again, which will be awesome. What we want to look at here is, first of all, obviously the big news of the day was Apple. And Apple came out with earnings, and we are now down $25 a share. After hours, you can see we've settled in here at about $394. A lot of times this is kind of the big flush move. I'm not anticipating a big move for tomorrow's open. You know, we may retrace a little bit, but my money on this is that Apple can fashion at least a rally tomorrow. So this is something where you can sell naked puts at the open that are out of the money, especially that are expiring, and then see if you can get an IV crush. And that is something that we will be talking about in the Simpler Options video tonight as well, for those of you that are members of the simpleroptions.com website. That's going to be one of the plays that we do tomorrow. And if we look here at the daily chart on Apple, just to see where we are, at 394, you can see that we've just come back to the 21 EMA. Okay, it's just a reversion to the mean. And then finally, today, let's see, intraday. I did not make money day trading today, the S&P futures, and I'm going to show you what I did. And it was really a stupid idea to trade. I had been up since 2 in the morning working on the book. The market open came along around 9 o'clock, and I decided that I needed a break. And ironically, I was working on a chapter in the book that talked about that. So I was watching the ticks. We came down to 1194 right here. I bought it. I was watching the ticks kind of hook up, and then we started to come back down here. And so I had, okay, let me replay this in my head here. Okay, so I did have a hard stop in here of 6 points, because I always start off with like a 6-point stop, and then I'll look at scaling in. And at this point, I was like, okay, this is not going to work. So I brought my target down from 1198 half down to break even, and I actually was like, this is, yeah, I'll just get out of break even, this will be easy. And then I got stopped. Okay, so that was the first trade. And then let's see, right after that, I'm trying to recreate what I did here. We popped back up, the ticks went back lower. I was going to short this, but then I noticed that the ticks just weren't having a big forceful move or anything like that, so I passed on it. Didn't catch this rally. Came back down here. Now I'm just trying to recreate this, because at one point I actually then just shut it off. No, that must have, okay, that was it, because I didn't do another trade till this afternoon. So then I shut it off because I was working. Okay, I missed this. And by the way, during the times I've been writing this book, I've missed some of the best opportunities. So this I completely missed. And then at the close, what I did was I bought, as we were coming down here, I did buy this pullback. The tick started to pull up, used my 6-point stop, pretty much got stopped on the dead lows right here, and then the market went to rally. So that was my trading today, going intraday. To give where it was my fault was that I really shouldn't have been trading at all, because I was under pressure to the deadline for the book. So that's just it. I take responsibility for it. So I could not trade this market today. And plus I was on a laptop and I was missing some of my indicators. So now it's starting to sound like I'm making excuses. But tomorrow I will be back bookless and be able to do some of this stuff. All right. So tomorrow we got the live trading webinar starting Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Tomorrow I'm going to be teaching a lot of the new concepts that I've updated in the book. I took 68 new screenshots. I'm going to be resharing with you guys tomorrow, teaching you guys some of the updated setups that we're looking at, and then we'll probably do some live trading into the close, because that's my favorite time to trade, is to trade that last half hour. And then we'll be doing some more live trading on Thursday, and then doing some pinning plays Thursday afternoon and Friday. So it is going to be a lot of fun. All right, you guys have good trading, and we'll see you in the next update.